హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు జాబ్స్ కా దునియా. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మన ఛానల్లో తెలంగాణకు సంబంధించి అన్ని జిల్లా జాబ్ అప్డేట్స్ అయితే మనం ఫాస్ట్గా అప్డేట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అలాగే ఐటీఐ ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్కి సంబంధించిన ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్స్ కూడా మనం వీడియో చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు కూడా ఒక వీడియో చేయడం జరిగింది. ఒకసారి చివరి మట్టుకు చూడండి. నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇంకెవరైనా ఛానల్ని కొత్తగా చూస్తున్నట్టయితే వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.
First question. In a slip ring induction motor, slip rings are connected to B. In a slip ring induction motor, slip rings are connected to the correct answer option A, rotor. Next, second one. Which motor is used for electric traction? Which motor is used for electric traction is correct answer option C, DC series motor is correct answer. Next, చూసుకున్నట్టయితే how many slip rings are there in a slip ring induction motor? How many slip rings are there in a slip rings induction motor? Correct answer option B, 3 motors is correct answer, friends. Next చూసుకున్నట్టయితే the stator winding of 3-phase slip ring induction motor has 4 poles. How many number of poles in the rotor winding? The stator winding of 3-phase slip ring induction motor has 4 poles. How many number of poles in the rotor winding? Correct answer option B, 4. Next, which type of capacitor is used in single phase capacitor type motor? Which type of capacitor is used in single phase capacitor type motor? Correct answer option D, paper capacitor is correct answer. Next చూసుకున్నట్టయితే what is the effect of single phase in 3-phase induction motor while running? What is the effect of single phase in 3-phase induction motor while running is correct answer option B, burnout due to overheating. Burnout due to overheating, correct answer, friends. Next, what is the maximum safe temperature of class E insulation? What is the maximum safe temperature of class E insulation? Correct answer option A, 90 degrees centigrade is correct answer. The question, which type of insulation tap is not suitable for insulation purpose? Which type of insulation tap is not suitable for insulation purpose? Correct answer option C, rubber tap is correct answer. Next, ninth question, which of the following motor does not have a winding or commutator or brushes? Which of the following motor does not have a winding or commutator or brushes? Correct answer option B, step up motor. Correct answer. Next, 10th one, which color is recommended for earth connection? Which color is recommended for earth connection? Correct answer option C, green. Next, 11th one, which one is the proper location for mounting main switch gear in buildings? Which one is the proper location for mounting main switch gear in a building? Correct answer option C, accessible place near the termination of service line. Accessible place near the termination of service line. Next, 12th one, what is the unit of work done in SI unit? What is the unit of work done in SI unit? Correct answer option D, joules. Next, 13th one, the power factor of purely resistive circuit. The power factor of purely resistive circuit is correct answer option C, unity. Unity is correct answer. Next, 14th one, an alternating current or voltage is that which? An alternating current or voltage is that which? Correct answer option C, changes both magnitude and direction. Changes both magnitude and direction is correct answer option C is correct. Next, 15th one, Primary winding of transformer. Primary winding of transformer. Correct answer. Option C. Cooled ether low voltage or high voltage. Cooled ether low voltage or high voltage. Option C is correct answer. Next 16th one. Megger is used to measure. Megger is used to measure. Correct answer. Option B. Insulation resistance is correct. Insulation resistance. Next 17th one. Moving iron type instrument are used on. Moving iron type instrument are used. Correct answer. Option C. Both AC and DC. Correct answer, friends. AC and DC is correct answer. Next 18th one. Normally the moving iron instrument are provided with. Normally the moving iron instrument are provided with. Correct answer. Option B. Air friction damping. Air friction damping is correct answer. Option B is correct. Next to 19th one. The gas inside the inner discharge tube of sodium vapor lamp is. The gas inside the inner discharge tube of a sodium vapor lamp is. Correct answer. Option B. Neon. Option B. Neon. 20th question. Alternator are usually designed to generate. Alternator are usually designed to generate. Correct answer. Option B. Definite frequency. Definite frequency is correct answer. Option B is correct answer. Next 21. When the speed of the alternator increase the frequency. When the speed of the alternator increase the frequency. Correct answer. Option A. Increase. Option A is correct answer. Increase is correct answer. Next 22nd. In AC circuit, the ratio of kW by kWA present. In AC circuit, the ratio of kilowatts by kilovoltage amperes represent. Correct answer. Option B. Power factor. Next 23rd. The reactance of 2H choke coil at 100 edges is. The reactance of 2H choke coil at 100 edges is. Correct answer. Option D. 1256 ohms. 1256 ohms. Next 24th. The path of magnetic flux in transformer as. The path of magnetic flux in a transformer as. Correct answer. Option C. Low resistance is correct answer. Next 25th చూసుకున్నట్టయితే the instrument used for measuring a resistance of 100 ohms. The instrument used for measuring a resistance of 100 mega ohms is. Correct answer. Option B. Megger. Next 26th. Which of the following meter has the best accuracy? Which of the following meter has the best accuracy? Correct answer. Option B. Moving coil meter. Moving coil meter is correct. Next 27th. What is the recommended maximum preheating temperature allowed in winding? What is the recommended maximum preheating temperature allowed in winding? Correct answer. Option C. 90 degrees centigrade. Next 28th. The frequency generated by 8-pole alternator rotor rotating at 600 rpm will be. The frequency generated by 8-pole alternator rotating at 600 rpm will be. Correct answer. Option C. 60 edges. Next 29th. As compared to an amplifier, a transformer cannot. As compared to an amplifier, a transformer cannot. Correct answer. Option A. Increase output power. Increase output power is correct answer. Option A. Next 30. Which of the following is known as metal rectifier? Which of the following is known as metal rectifier? Correct answer. Option C. Copper oxide diode is correct answer. Copper oxide diode. Option C is correct. Next 31. A single machine which can generate AC or DC as well as AC and DC both is called. A single machine which can be generate AC or DC as well as AC and DC both is called. Correct answer. Option D, rotary converter. Option D, rotary converter. Next 32. The commercial unit electrical energy is. The commercial unit of electrical energy is. Correct answer. Option B, kilowatt hour. Kilowatt per hour is correct answer. Option B is correct answer. Next 33. How many number of positive and negative plates are placed in 9 plates lead acid cell? How many number of positive and negative plates are placed in 9 plates lead acid cells? Correct answer. Option D, 4 positive plates and 5 negative plates is correct answer. Option D is correct answer. 34th. The unity of resistivity is. The unity of resistivity is. Correct answer. Option C, ohm m. Ohm. Option C is correct answer. Next 35. The resistance of a perfect insulator. The resistance of a perfect insulator. Correct answer. Option D, infinity. Option D is correct, infinity. Next, the form factor is the ratio of. The form factor of is the ratio of. Form factor ratio. Correct answer. Option B, RMS value to average value. RMS value to average value. Next 37th. Unity of flux density. Unity of flux density. Correct answer. Option B, Tesla. Option B, Tesla is correct answer. Next 38. The basic principle electromagnetic induction is. The basic principle of electromagnetic induction is. Correct answer. Option D, Faraday's law. Option D, Faraday's law. Next 39th. Which one of the following is. Which instrument is used for measuring specific gravity? Which one of the following in which instrument is used for measuring specific gravity అంటున్నాడు. 39th. Option D, hydrometer is correct answer. Next 40. Electrolyte used in nickel iron cells in. Electrolyte used in nickel iron cells is. Correct answer. Option D, KOH. Option D is correct. Next 41. A semiconductor in its purest form is known as. A semiconductor its purest form is known as. Semiconductor purest form is known as. Correct answer. Option D, intrinsic semiconductor. Option D, intrinsic semiconductor. 42. For a silicon p-n junction, the barrier potential is about. For a silicon p-n junction, the barrier potential is about. Correct answer. Option A, 0.7 volts. 0.7 volt is correct answer. Next 43. The minimum number of diodes needed for a bridge rectifier. The minimum number of diodes needed for a bridge rectifier. Correct answer. Option C, 4. 4 diodes ఉంటాయండి. Option C is correct, 4 diodes. 44. The insulating material belongs to class B insulation. The insulating material belongs to class B insulation. Correct answer. Option A, mica. Option A, mica is correct. Next 45. The unity of self-induction. The unity of self-induction. Correct answer. Option B, Henry. Option B, Henry is correct answer. Next 46. Three-phase stator connection. Three-phase stator connection. Correct answer. IL equal to IPH. Option D is correct answer. IL equal to IPH is correct answer. Next, 47th. Hysteresis the phenomenon of dash in a magnetic circuit. Hysteresis is the phenomenon of dash in a magnetic circuit. Hysteresis phenomenon of dash in a magnetic circuit. Correct answer option A. Lagging B, B and H. Lagging B, B and H is correct answer. Option H. Option A is correct answer. Next, 48th. The maximum current that can pass through 2 ohms 2 watts resistor will be. The maximum current that can pass through 2 ohms 2 watts resistor will be. Correct answer option A. 1 amps is correct answer. 1 amp is correct answer. Next, 49. The insulation resistance of electrical machine working at medium voltage should not be less than. Insulation resistance of an electrical machine working at medium voltage should not be less than. Correct answer option D. Option D is correct answer. 10,000 ohms. Sorry, 10 lakhs ohms. Option D is correct. Next, 50. Distribution transformer are designed to have maximum efficiency nearly. Distribution transformer designed to have maximum efficiency nearly. Correct answer option C. At 50% full load. At 50% full load is correct answer. Next, 52. In which type DC motor 2-point starter is used? In which type DC motor 2-point starter is used? Correct answer option A, series motor. Option A, series motor. Next, 53. What is the SWG of copper earth conductor if the maximum circuit current is 15? What is the SWG of copper earth conductor if the maximum circuit current is 15? Correct answer option A, number 14. Option A is correct answer. Next, 54. What is the effect of single phasing 3-phase induction motor? What is the effect of single phasing in 3-phase induction motor? Correct answer option B. Burn due to overheating. Burn due to overheating. Option B is correct answer. Next, 55. What will happen to the universal motor when it starts without load? What will happen to the universal motor when it is started without load? Correct answer option C. Run with very high speed. Run with very high speed is correct answer. Option C is correct. Next, 56. Among the following, which device cannot be used? Safety device. Among the following, which device cannot be used as safety device? Correct answer option B. Earth tester. Earth tester. Option B is correct answer. Next, 57. Which type of DC generator is used for battery charging? Which type of DC generator is used for battery charging? Correct answer option B. Shunt generator. Shunt generator is correct answer. Next, 58. What is the thickness of copper plates used for earth electrode? What is the thickness of copper plates used for earth electrode? Correct answer option D. 3.15 mm. 3.15 mm is correct answer option D. Next, 59th. The core loss in a transformer is constant during. The core loss in transformer is constant during. Correct answer option D. R load is correct answer, friends. R load. Option D is correct answer. Next, the equivalent resistance of the parallel circuit is dash than the smallest single resistance. The equivalent resistance of the parallel circuit is dash than the smallest single resistance. Correct answer option B, smaller. 61. Which is the working principle of instrument transformer? Which is the Working principle of an instrument transformer. Correct answer option C, mutual induction. Mutual induction is correct answer. Next to 62. Switchboard is fixed at highest of dash per IE rules. Switchboard fixed at the highest of dash as per IE rules. Correct answer option A, 1.5 m. 1.5 m. Next 63. The rating of fuse is expressed in terms. The rating of fuse is expressed in terms. Correct answer option D, none. Option D, none. Next 64. A lead acid cell is rechargeable because a lead acid cell is rechargeable because option C, its chemical reaction is reversible. Its chemical reaction is reversible. Next 65. Breather dehydrating material. Breather dehydrating material. Correct answer option C, calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is correct. Next 66. Instrument which must not be used in the circuit when the power is on or. Instrument which must not be used in the circuit when the power is on or. Correct answer option A, ohms meter and Megger. Ohms meter and Megger. Option A is correct. Next 67th. Which of the following can be called as integrating instrument? Which of the following can be called as integrating instrument? Correct answer option D, energy meter. Option D, energy meter. Next 68th. Basel relay. Basel relay is correct answer. Option C, a gas actuated device. A gas actuated device is correct. Option C is 69th question. Capacitance is not affected by. Capacitance is not affected by. Option D, frequency. Next 70. The back EMF of DC motor depends on the back EMF of DC motor depends on the. Correct answer option B, field flux. Field flux. Next 71. The flux of DC motor approaches zero, its speed will be approaches. The flux of DC motor approaches zero, its speed will be approaches. Option A, infinity. Option A, infinity is correct.